Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For the last few weeks I've been looking at iPhone SE2 cases. Today we'll be looking at the Taurus Ultra Thin Hard Case. It's a lightweight case with matte silky finish and it supports wireless charging. This case is priced at £13 or $16, so it's not the cheapest case nor its expensive case. It's about mid-range I would say. So inside the box you get a free tempered glass screen protector, an installation guide, a company contact card, a screen prep kit and the case itself. By the way, before we move any further, just wanted to let you know that I'll be doing an iPhone SE2 giveaway shortly, so please subscribe for updates. Now back to the video. The case itself is made of hard, flexible plastic. As you can see, if I flex it, it does flex a bit, but it's also hard and rubbery. And the finish on it is matte finish, it's matte silky finish and it does give it a good shine. The case is quite easy to fit. The fitment, I'll give it 5 out of 5. It's also quite easy to take off. It's got some slits on the side that flexes when you pull it. As you can see, the case has a very slim profile and tightly fits the phone. The cutout on the bottom of the charger is big enough to fit bigger charger heads, which is perfect. The cutout for the ring silent switch is big enough for easy switching. The buttons on the side remain clicky and provide the right feedback as they should, so thumbs up on that. So here I have an iPhone 8. As you can see, the case is very thin. It doesn't add much footprint to the overall size of the phone, which is a good thing. I have to say I'm impressed with this one. All of the buttons work seamlessly as well as being thin and lightweight while maintaining some protection if dropped. I can't say 100% it will prevent any damage when dropped, but it should be able to withstand daily knocks and bangs. The grip on the case is fantastic. The rubbery material is grippy and nice to touch. That being said, I hope the rubbery material doesn't peel off after a while like some of the Apple cases do, but only time will tell. So that's it for this video, so please like and subscribe and check my other videos out.